Hey, it's me, Mr. Weather, here with Mr. Relevant, and welcome to the first monthly What's What.
Each month, we'll explore headlines around the world involving the Earth sciences, space weather, and climate.
Helium, the second most abundant element, continues to rise in cost as a worldwide shortage takes hold. Not only utilized to celebrate that special occasion with a festive balloon, or even a weather launch, they're also utilized for MRI machines, cleaning fuel tanks of rockets, and many manufacturing processes. Helium may be plentiful, however, capturing the gas is another story. Helium is harvested by oil companies who extract it deep beneath the Earth's surface in natural gas chambers. Radioactive decay causes uranium to disperse helium into these chambers for over millions of years. These reserves have been discovered by accident, and helium has been the byproduct of natural gas harvesting. But one of the largest reserves in Texas is shutting down production in 2021. So what does this all mean? Well, geologists are researching methods to discover more sources of helium so it will prevent any further disruption in our daily lives due to the enormous role helium has in the world.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Pharrell Williams, Cate Blanchett, Mark Ruffalo, Olivia Wilde, and other celebrities have taken initiative in bringing awareness toward climate change. Billie Eilish, famous alt-pop singer, recently announced her 2020 world tour, Where Do We Go?, will be partnering with nonprofit Reverb in Going Green. Free water stations will be accessible for all concert goers and crew, encouraging the use of refillable water bottles and banning any sign of the plastic straw. Each stop on her tour, the Billie Eilish Eco Village, will provide information on the fight against climate change. The artist, taking steps toward change, collaborates with Gen Zer Greta Thunberg, who delivered her empowering, passionate speech to the 2019 UN Climate Action Summit regarding climate change.
For more than 30 years, the science has been crystal clear. How dare you continue to look away and come here saying that you're doing enough when the politics and solutions needed are still nowhere in sight? You say you hear us and that you understand the urgency. But no matter how sad and angry I am, I do not want to believe that. Because if you really understood the situation and still kept on failing to act, then you would be evil, and that I refuse to believe.
This hurricane season has been record-breaking. Category 5 storm Hurricane Dorian devastated the Bahamas during its slow crawl across the island, the most intense hurricane to ever hit the Bahamas. Over 600 people are still missing, with damage estimated to be over $7 billion. On the other hand, Hurricane Lorenzo, the other Category 5 storm this season, has broken records, being the strongest hurricane that has ever been seen as far north and east in the Atlantic Basin. Usually, it takes much more time for tropical cyclones to obtain the strength and intensity that Lorenzo had. Although hurricane season has seemed to reach its climax, there's still the remainder of October and November to see what the sea might have in store. Tune into the monthly What's What every first Sunday of each month to learn more about Earth science related current events taking place around the world.
Until next time, watch Mr. Weather's World every Weather Wednesday at noon, and remember to subscribe on YouTube.